up the hard line. Yeah. Hey, Ryan. There it is. And you had a locker right now.
Hey, Aaron, try going passenger, because whenever you come over, that's whenever you get hung up on
That's
this
her.
side.
He's dragging a big rock over here.
Is he?
Ryan.
No, back it up.
No track?
Yeah.
And now really crank it, passenger. It might work. All the way. There you go. There you go. Because you're almost on this face right here.
Yeah.
I mean, you're sitting beside of it. Or you'll get stuck by a big rack on your string hanger. You know, one of the other.
Crank the wheel that way.
Problem is, you're about to go over a really large rock. That's just the way it's going to be.
Yeah, run out the park.
Yeah. And
You're right. So, keep going straight. Yeah.
Nice, yeah.
No, the light was looking at it.